Hello and welcome to Linux Shorts. The date command is used to display or set the date and time for your system. When called by itself, date just simply shows you the current date and time that's on the system. You can control and change the format of this output using a number of control characters, which are preceded by a plus sign and then a percentage sign. In this case, if I just want to see the current year, I use an uppercase Y. I can add to that an M for the month. And likewise too, I can add a lowercase d, and that'll give me the date, the day in numerical format. There's many more control characters to be used for how to present, how you want to show and display the date and the time. So be sure to check out the man pages because they're all outlined in there. To separate values using a space, say for example I want to include the name of the day, you need to use inverted commas. If I just run that with a space as it is, it throws me back an error message. Whereas if I surround it all with inverted commas, now it works as expected. Date is often used to show how long a process is run for by counting how many seconds have elapsed since the 1st of January 1970, before and after the process. And we do this using the lowercase s command. So that shows how many seconds have elapsed, and then if we run it again after the process, for example, we see it's ticked on a bit. So if you subtract one from the other, you can calculate up to show how long your process is run for. Date can also be used to set the system time, but this wouldn't be recommended as services such as the Network Time Protocol, the NTP protocol, do a much better job of keeping an accurate and correct time for your system. Okay, be sure to check out the man page for the date command. There's a lot more options there to be used, including of course the control characters which control the output that you see. And thanks very much for watching.